Hi everyone, I'm Roberto Coscia, and in today's video I want to show to you a tool that will allow you to use AI and to augment 10x your productivity with just a Chrome tool. This tool is text-based and is a tool which you can install for free inside your Chrome browser. Why do I want to advise you this tool? You might have generally the problem that when you are writing a prompt to ChatGPT, Claude, there are snippets that you often rewrite as they are in the prompt. For example, if I want to say, please act like a SEO consultant, a SEO, an expert SEO consultant, and find to me like a description SEO oriented related to this specific title or YouTube title. Um, you might want to write this snippet multiple times based on your scenario, but you don't want to write every time by hand. You can make this job much faster with a snippet tool like this one, which is totally for free. Uh, Obviously, there are different pricing points you can use, but for like 10, 20 snippets, you can use it totally for free. Obviously, if you want to write thousands of snippets and really automate a lot of prompts, you could even consider the price point, which is this one. It's not, by the way, very expensive, but consider the pro version is only two 99 dollars US dollars. The business $7, and enterprise obviously contact the sales and check. But I use it totally for free for a very long time by now. I want to show you some use cases that I currently use and how it works. So, first of all, you can go to the website and eventually go to the Chrome Web Store and find text blades in there. By the way, this is a nano browser is showing because I did a video about it. Because look at also this tool is very cool if you want to automate web browsing with AI. Look at the video I did just before to this, maybe here somewhere, or just look at the previous video. So here we have text blades. As you can see, it appeared here and you can download it. I already did it. And remember to activate it as I did here so that it can show you here. And you're done. Well, you can already start using it. First of all, you need to select the snippets. I selected few of them. For example, in these snippets, um, I want to basically write this prompt to ChatGPT, changing few details but leaving the rest as it is. You are a SEO professional YouTube specialist, and based on this video, and then you change and write which video, maybe the URL link. Give me the best YouTube's SEO oriented title, description, and chapters. In the end, also add the connection part well structured, and I advise which part. Obviously, you can improve the prompt, but as you can see, I chose how I want, what I want to type to digit this command slash YB for YouTube, and it will be using exactly that. So now, let's say that I go to ChatGPT. If now I digit slash b done, you see, it's done. It's already copied. I didn't have to spend probably 3 to 5 minutes to write this prompt. and I can just modify this part. I can copy paste a URL and I can get the description right away, and I can just click send, and I will get the job done. You can do the same, just writing many other snippets. At the moment here, there are written nearly 10. So if you have, I believe you can use probably 100. I'm not sure exactly, but the main activities you might want to do, you might want to write them as snippets. There are those 5, 10 activities where or emails or structures that if you have a snippet would simplify by a lot your life. You will save hours works every day just using snippets. And that's why I want to advise you this tool, because it's super easy to get started. As you can see, you can either modify the current snippets, you can edit them, you can create new one with the plus. As you can see, it allows you to create a new snippet and modify with what you like. It's super easy. That's why I wanted to advise this to you. Even though you here see some specific pro functionality, which is anyway very interesting, like the text field. If you want to add a paragraph field, maybe if you want to copy paste something in format, in Word format, the toggle field. I mean, if you want to add specific formats, you can definitely improve with these characteristics. It's actually full-fledged application. But for the most of us, which want to simplify to the core our job, you can just perform this. Let me know uh, how would you use it, and let me know if you liked this application, and show me the love subscribing the channel to have more insightful tool that will improve your productivity, to have fantastic tool and AI content information for you. Comment the video. Let me know if you know other tools that are similar to this or even better. So far, this for me was the best and easy to use out there. And it's totally free. Um, and can get started within 1 minute, literally. Uh, So consider to like, comment, and subscribe, push the notification bell, so to keep up to date with new content of this channel. This is a small channel and need you to support it to uh, not fall in forgotten desert. Hope this was useful for you. See you in the next video.